day, grade 12 students. By the way, I am Marian A. de los Reyes. I will encourage you to enroll teacher education. As you prepare to graduate and choose your future career, we invite you to consider one of the most meaningful and rewarding professions, teaching. Teaching is not just a job, it is a noble mission where you shape minds, inspire dreams, and build the future of your nation. By enrolling in teacher education, you open doors to a stable and fulfilling career supported by the Department of Education. Teachers in the Philippines enjoy numerous privileges and benefits such as competitive salary increases under the salary standardization law, job security, health and medical benefits through PhilHealth, paid leaves including vacation and sick leave, and opportunities for promotion and continuous professional development. They also receive special hardship and teaching allowances, bonuses like 13th and 14th month pay, and retirement benefits. Beyond financial rewards, teachers gain respect in the community and the process fulfillment of making a difference in students' lives every day. Imagine yourself inspiring your learners, guiding them to success, and becoming a role model in your community. If you want a career that is a stable, impactful, and full of purpose, then teacher education is the perfect path for you. Join us in shaping future become a teacher today. As you stand at the exciting crossroads of graduation and begin making important decisions about your future, we warmly invite you to consider one of the most meaningful, impactful, and rewarding professions. You can choose teaching. Teaching is far more than just a job or source of income. It is a noble mission and a lifelong vocation where you have the power to shape young minds, inspire dreams, and help build the future of our nation. Every lesson you teach, every word of encouragement you give, and every student you guide contributes to a better and brighter society. By enrolling in teacher education, you are not only choosing a career, but also embracing a purpose that goes beyond yourself. A chance to leave a lasting legacy in the lives of others. In the Philippines, the teaching profession is strongly supported by the Department of Education, ensuring that educators are valued and well compensated. For their dedication and hard work, teachers enjoy a wide range of privileges and benefits designed to provide both financial stability and personal well-being. These include competitive salary increases under the salary standardization law, which ensure that teachers receive fair and improving compensation over time. Teachers benefit from job security, making it a stable career choice in an ever-changing world. Health and medical benefits are also provided through PhilHealth, giving peace of mind not only to teachers but also to their families. Allow teachers to rest, recharge, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Opportunities for promotion and continuous professional development are also available, allowing teachers to grow in their careers, enhance their skills, and achieve their personal and professional goals. Retirement benefits further ensure that teachers can enjoy security and comfort even after years of service. Beyond this, material rewards lies something far more valuable. the deep respect and admiration teachers receive from their communities, and the priceless fulfillment that come knowing you have a difference in someone's life. Imagine yourself standing in front of a classroom, inspiring young learners to believe in themselves, guiding them to discover their talents, and helping them overcome challenges. Picture the joy of seeing your students succeed, knowing that played a part in their journey. As a teacher, you become a mentor, a leader, a role model who influences not just academic growth but also character and values. If you are looking for a career that offers stability, meaningful, impactful personal growth, and true sense of purpose, then teacher education is the perfect path for you. So as you prepare to take your next step, we encourage you to join this noble profession together. Let us shape the future. Choose teacher education and become as inspiring teacher today. Choosing teacher education means becoming part of a system that is guided and supported, an institution committed to empowering educations and ensuring quality education for all Filipino learners. As a future teacher, you will benefit from structured support system, continuous training, and professional growth opportunities that will help you become effective and competent in your field. The government recognizes the invaluable role of teachers, which which is why policies like the salary standardization law are in place to provide fair compensation and regularly salary increases. The teaching professions offers not only financial stability but also strong sense of security and balance in life, with benefits such as teaching supplies, allowances, and opportunities for scholarships and further studies. Teachers are given the chance to continue improving themselves while enjoying a stable career. Promotion opportunities allow you to advance from teacher to higher positions such as master, teacher, or even school administrator, opening doors for leadership, and greater influence in the education sector. These benefits clearly show that teaching is not a stagnant career but one filled with growth, recognition, and advancement. But beyond all these tangible rewards lies the true essence of teaching, the impact you make in the lives of your students. As a teacher, you are not only a source of knowledge but also a guide, counselor, and inspirations. You help students discover their strengths, overcome their weaknesses, and believe in their ability to succeed. You become a part of their journey, celebrating their achievement and supporting them through challenges. The respect you earn from your students, their families, and your community is something that cannot be measured but money alone. It is a kind of fulfillment that stays with you for a lifetime. In a world that constantly changes and involves the needs for passionate and dedicated teachers remains constant. You have the opportunity to be one of those individuals who will lead the next generation towards success. By choosing teacher education, you are choosing to become a builder of dreams, a shaper of minds, and a servant of the nation. Take the brave steps, follow a path that is meaningful, stable, and truly rewarding. Enroll in teacher education, embracing the noble mission of teaching and become a beacon of hope and inspiration of future generation. The future of nation lies in the hands of teachers, and that future could begin with you. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you for listening. Future Teacher Education.